Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify at the bottom of your store, or like mine right there at the bottom. As you can see, Powered by Shopify is right there. And if you want to remove this, you have to go to your Shopify dashboard. Now you want to click on Online Store right here, and now you will have this option where it says Themes. Now you're gonna click on those three dots and you can actually edit default theme content. Click on this one. Now you're gonna go ahead right there at the right corner and you will see those three dots where you're gonna click on checkout and system. Now here you're gonna scroll down. Now, as it is really hard to find, so you're just gonna filter the items. You're just gonna write down Powered by. And as you can see, this is the general Powered by Shopify HTML. So you want to actually, links, where it says links. As you can see, I cannot delete it, nothing. But if I press space, as you can see, it's now blank. And then you're going to click save. And you're going to go back to see your website. You're going to scroll down. And now, as you can see, there's no Powered by Shopify option right there. This is just my store and that's it. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.